mga bakolod, kahit kulor, malambing pa rin.
No, wala, Jay, pangit, no? Isa, gwapo niya, no? Ako naman sa amin siguro to. Uy, gwapo gid siya. Bakit pangit na itong mga Bisaya? Ay, si Secret, itago imong naukaw. Having you near me daw. Para kanina si having you near me. Ano ba? Dito ka lang. Having near me. Having you near me? Having you near me? Having you near me. Parang tropa mo, niluluko mo.
Okay, ready?
O, diba? Tropa mo, niluluko ka.
Jammer natin is si Sir Roberto Alto Perez.
Yes. 20% of
Be ready.
Nice.
Be ready. Ikaw lang.
Tebayran
One day.
Gusto mo sa kaya ka? Sabayan daw niya. Sasabayan ko daw siya. Uy, bawal na kasi mangat sa mainit na hapon. Naningkamot ba yung udiri? You came.
I came to you and never asked to why. Wondering what you would say. Hoping you understand it's not a wrong.
Tapos ito magkakapit.
Don't speak too much of what's been gone. On the best is over.
Magkakapit ako mamaya. Ay! Ang gagastos.
I can do so much for you. I want you having you near me, holding you near me. All I do is stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right. Your brain say that you get lost in love, but you open your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, oh, how deep I love you feel. Tonight we'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm living it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not true. I can do so much for you. I want you having you near me, holding you near me,
Holding you near me, pero di mo
I want
ako.
you to stay and never go away.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so
Dapat
right.
lang.
Feels so right.
10 minutes. Kaya na.
Ayan, magbe-break muna yung mga dalaginding natin.
Matarakat.
Yung mga dalaginding.
Mga 10 minutes pa daw.
Break sila 10 minutes. Ano?
Question.
Pag-duwit kayo ni Kuya Mayor. Ano? Kaya pag-duwit kayo ni Kuya Mayor. Dalawa kayo.
Ito. Mamaya na to. Mamaya to.
Ngayon na ba kayo?
Break time muna kayo. Sige. Ay, saan kanta ba yun?